This video will cover how you add resources to JewishGen's German Research Division homepage. First, check to see if your town is already included. Visit our homepage at www.jewishgen.org/jersig and enter your town name in the town search field at the top right of the page. Then click Go. Here we are going to search for the town of Bevangen. After clicking Go, we see one result for the town, which is located in Baden. Click on the magnifying glass to the right to access more details about this town. Here you see the town page for Bevangen. The basic features here are found on all town pages on the German Research Division website. They include a map showing the town's location, alternate names for the town, and whether a Gehele links page already exists. The key part that we're going to focus on is the ability to add links and resources that pertain to this location. Here you can see 3 related links, but this video will show you how to add more links to this page. As we just saw, the Bevangen town page already has 3 links. They cover information on the cemetery, the former synagogue, and the Jewish community there in general. But we've also located a number of other resources that should be part of this town page, including links to vital records, the surname adoption list, and data on Holocaust victims. Let's go through the steps to add those resources. The first step is to log into JewishGen using your email address. As noted here, you will not be able to access the screens on the following slides until the German Research Division webmaster gives you access for your towns and/or regions. When you are logged into JewishGen and visit the administrator URL, you should see a screen that looks like this. Click on the res links on the left and you will see a screen that lets you add a new record. We'll go over which boxes to fill in and how to do so. First, select a category. This can be modified later on. We're going to pick Historic Jewish Communities. Next, let's paste in one of the URLs from our list. This one at a website called leo-bw.de. We'll then type in a link title, here, Jewish Life in Bevangen. Category URL and link title are all mandatory. We'll now enter a short description, which is optional. Finally, we need to indicate the geographic area the link deals with. Here, click on Town. This now brings up a list of all the towns that have entries in the German Research Division database. We scroll down a little and select Bevangen. Now that everything's filled out, select Insert Record. If you don't have permissions for the town, province, or district, you will see an error message. In that case, please contact the German Research Division webmaster. We now see this screen indicating that the resource has been added to the database. You can click on Edit if you need to change any of the details. When we go back to the town page for Bevangen, we see that there's now a link that says See More Bevangen Links. Let's click on it. We now see all the links pertaining to Bevangen. The link we just added is on top and also displays the optional description text. We're now going to add a collection. The previous example dealt with just links, which is more for articles and other published summaries than original records. Original records should be handled by adding a new collection, which is the other option under Tables. Step 1 for a collection is to select a document type. Here you see most of the available options. We're going to select the Mixed Vital Records option. A lot of the options for collections are similar to the links. Although higher up on the page, the Select Town feature works the same way. The only other mandatory information is the collection name, availability, meaning whether it's digitized and online or only available in hard copy, etc., and the published status, which is published, meaning the resources will be visible online, or unpublished, which indicates that it will be hidden from users of the website. Location is used to represent which archive holds a particular document collection. To have options added for that dropdown, please contact the German Research Division webmaster. When all information has been entered, click Insert Record. We then see a similar confirmation page to the links, although there are several additional fields here for collections. You can then move on to edit the collection or add another new record. We now come back to the Brevangen Town page and notice that there's a new section called Document and Dataset Collections. It shows the link we just added to the 1830 to 1870 vital records. To shorten this demonstration, the repetitive steps for adding each document collection have not been shown. However, we've added all the links that we saw earlier in the presentation. There are now 5 collections, which causes a See More Brevangen collection link to appear. We click on the See More links, and this is the page we get. Additional information for each collection can be found by clicking on the icons in the View column. If you would like to add link and data collection resources for a town, district, or state in Germany, please contact me at akalzareth@jewishgen.org. Thank you for your interest. We look forward to adding a number of new resources.